Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going over to XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So the DXY is breaking down. It has right now printed a death cross on a weekly time frame. We've got this beautiful death cross here for the DXY, which has always led to a massive move for XRP. And I remember, as this thing were coming down, I replied guys saying no way, it's never going to happen. And right now it's happened. We've got this lovely move that we've experienced in crypto from 2022 into 2023 so far. I do anticipate that we are looking for continuation. The charts are showing that, and providing we can see the continued breakdown of DXY, and XRP continues to come up and break out, we're looking pretty tasty. So I'm going to go through this with you. Okay, so what we've got is a death cross just there, we've got one just there as well, and we've got one just there. So sort of every 3 years we keep printing this death cross, which leads to a massive move for crypto. So what I'm looking at is, when do I think that the crypto move will be in? So right now I'm trying to identify it in the DXY when I think it bottoms. So what I'm looking for is a level of support just there. I think we've got support before bull trap, support before a retracement into the EMAs to confirm as resistance, and right now we're coming back looking for retracement over the next sort of few weeks here. Well, it might get a little bit crabby for the crypto markets, and right now boom, we're looking for a third sort of point of contact down there where I do think the DXY bottoms basically, and that's the point in which we will see a massive parabolic move here for the crypto market. So you can clearly see we've got the support, 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 and like I've always said to you, 3 points of contact, support, support, that's where you find your bottom and you begin to break out, find your bottom, begin to break out. So until the DXY starts to slowly but surely make its way back down to this trend line, I think you get your breakout right there and you find your bottom towards the end of the year potentially for DXY. Again, I could be completely wrong. This might find support and break out. If it does, then that's got a W double bottom pattern just there, and it's looking to come up, and at that point XRP is going to absolutely tank. But XRP is doing things in the charts I'm going to show you that look pretty tasty, to be honest with you. Something I spotted on the monthly time frame I'm going to take a look with you right now that could sort of be leading the way, and we could be looking at a massive explosive breakdown in the DXY and a massive explosive breakout for XRP. Okay, so let's drop the XRP price in here, go to new price to scale, and what we can clearly see at the moment, when we get this death cross just there, we do usually correct into it and then boom, we explode. Look at that, just there, death cross, we sort of corrected into it as it happened, and then boom, exploded for the remainder of the year right there. So we've got the death cross just there. We're having a correction right now into this death cross as it's beginning to be formed for the DXY, and then we're looking at explosive break here as this continues to sort of break down like it did there, an explosive move like it did there, an explosive move. So it's kind of gearing up again, isn't it? It is until it isn't basically, and obviously the negation of that is if a DXY starts to break out here, takes out that high, structurally looking pretty tasty on the DXY, and you've found a reversal just there, okay, and it's only found 2 points of contact for support before reversing. But in this downtrend you've got 3 points of contact, breakout, 3 points of contact, breakout, and this is what I always look for, is 3 points of contact on a downtrend or 3 points of contact on resistance to confirm the pattern. So basically of some kind of tightening range down here, bottomed out, come up, tightening range, bottomed out, come up. So I'm looking for something very similar for the DXY. If it starts to crab along and you have a big drop in the DXY towards the end of the year, then the inverse correlation is this, where XRP absolutely takes off into space basically. So not hopium, not bullshit, it's technical analysis. Let's dive into the monthly chart and XRP right now. So looking at XRP on a monthly time frame, then I'm getting really bullish on XRP because something I'm looking at in the charts right now, obviously we've got the breakdown of DXY. If we continue to see that, that's really bullish. It just means that XRP is a buy at that point, because any time we've printed a death cross, XRP has just been a buy basically, and I've gone through this with you. But we're looking at a sort of similar structure right now in the charts for XRP as we've seen before. We've seen it twice before. Okay, let me show you right now. So just there is your bear market, okay, that's your big bear market, and then what I think we've done, we've put an impulsive move here for XRP from 2020 into 2021. I think we put in an impulsive wave basically, and I think we've been in a corrective wave coming back. Okay, and right now we've sort of turned the corner by flipping a switch and starting to come back up the stairs, and it's in the charts right here, okay, because what you've got is a low and you've got a high. You came back, made a higher low, and right now because of the candle body close right there, you're actually putting in a higher high just there for XRP. Okay, so you sort of turned the corner off this bottom, come back down, come up, come back down, potentially come back down, make another higher low before breaking this resistance and just continue this uptrend right here, okay, because you can clearly see in this bear market coming down, series of lower highs, lower lows. It's only once you start to come back up and get the candle body close above, you start to make a series of higher highs and higher lows, okay, and it's exactly the same here. You've got your big bear market, then you put in a massive impulsive move, you came down, made a corrective phase which retraced to this low, which I essentially think that that's your low of a bear market just there. That's your bear market, 97% drawdown, and that's an impulsive wave with a corrective wave coming back down, and that was an impulsive wave with a corrective wave coming back down. I've gone through this with you many times before, okay, and what we've got is a rinse repeat right now. So we put this move, okay, and then this high low, high high, high low. So effectively just there you can see that we did flip a switch after the correction, the ABC correction coming back down, which retracement to that bear market low. We've got this ABC correction that's come back down to this bear market low, and right now we came up and we made a high, high low, high high, high low, broke out. So right now we made a high, high low, high high, looking to make a higher low, breakout. So exactly where we were here and exactly where we were here right now. This is where we are for XRP. So just there, that was a major buy zone, and right there, that was a major buy zone. So right now, if history is repeating, it is a big if as well, obviously I've not got a crystal ball, but right now this area here, whatever's happening to XRP, whether it's pulling back to wherever, it doesn't matter, it's a buy zone, isn't it, for a potential massive impulsive move here for XRP, and we've got a repeat of that, and we've got a repeat of this impulsive move as well. So it would be nice to think that we are going to get something like this. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but anything can happen. This is XRP. I know a lot of people are looking at that and saying, $580 XRP. I've got to be conservative. Using Fibonacci from here, from this bear market low just there to there. I think that obviously we've got to the 1618. We got all the way up to the 1272 as well. We actually got to the 2.272. Now, I don't actually think that we're going to get to something like that for XRP. So if we look at this impulsive wave which is forming right now off this low, off this ABC correction, because that was the ABC correction there. Let me go through this with you. So this was your ABC, like this, A, B, C. Then you came up impulsively, correctively, coiled up, consolidated, boom, broke out. You got your ABC in here as well, sort of rinse repeat pattern of this impulsive break. So you're A, B, C. You've done everything you need to say you have got that as well right now, and right now you sort of turn the corner like you did here. You got a high, the low, the high, the high, low, boom, and you've got a high, low, high, low, boom. You see what I mean? So right now you got a high, low, high. You're looking to come back to make the high low to break again. So the conservative move here for XRP would be roughly, the 1.272, which is a retest of that high, and then you got the 1618 as well, which is roughly what is that, $6.49. So that would be my minimal target, of a big impulsive move up. Obviously we've got 2 fib up there. We've got the 2.272 fib, which is what this impulsive move got to as well. So who knows? Anything can happen. This is XRP, but it could absolutely explode. No one's got a crystal ball. No one can guarantee anything. It is all about support and resistance. Providing we can maintain this support, which have been showing you for multiple months in this correction, providing we hold this center level support, we are looking pretty tasty, because exactly what we did here off this bottom as well. We hold this as center level support, come up the stairs, got compressed, broke out, come up the stairs, get compressed, break out. So, I have to project to the upside, providing you hold all this support coming upstairs. So if we start to see XRP coming up and taking out that April high right there, I think you're looking at a minimal target, the 1618, around about $6.49 for XRP. Okay, so we just need to hold this structure of an uptrend right now, consolidate, coil up. We're looking at a massive breakout here for XRP, and we've got an accompanied death cross as well, for on the DXY, which is what we got just here off this impulsive move, and just here as well off this impulsive move for XRP. Okay, hope you understand that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on XRP. Bye bye.